Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unread or unread. Please correct me if I'm wrong if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Anyway, how to do that on your Gmail account. Or rather, how to unread or unread emails on your Gmail account. That being said, please open up your browser of your choice and then quick reminder if you're watching this on your MacBook, your laptop, your phone, your tablet, any other devices rather than one I'm using right now, which is a PC setup with a Windows OS running, okay? Now please stay in the video because it's literally the same process for all across devices. Now with this one, open up Google. Of course, we're gonna go for Gmail. Now as you can see right here, I have a lot of unread emails. I'm gonna click read first right there to make sure that these are all read on this section. Now that being said, how, for example, I might wanna make this one. This first three unread. Basically, I just wanna click on them, select them as I do so, and hover on the top section. You're gonna see this message or email icon or mail icon that is closed. That means mark as unread. If I click that one, these three emails are now back to being unread or unopened. Now, to do that again, I just want to open it. For example, as you can see right there, the mail is now open. That means mark as read or open. If I want to go back again, I just want to click them. And as you can see, they changed from open earlier to close because this is now turning them back to closed or unread. That being said, that's how you make your N emails on your Gmail unread or not open using your Gmail, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.